Hey Red, look over there in that toolbox. Hand me that sky hook out of there. What? Come on now, we gotta pick this body up off this frame. Need that sky hook. Sky hook. That's a trick we used to play in construction business. When a new guy, new to construction, hired on, we had something heavy we had to lift. We'll tell us, hey, go look in the game box and get that sky hook so we can pick this up. And they'd go look in the game box. They didn't know what it even looked like, and they'd ask people, where's the sky hook at? Where's the sky hook? Everybody'd be laughing at them. And yeah, sky hook, no such thing. My car broke. I had an uncle who used to say in construction when a piece of equipment would break down, he said the dozer fell down. It fell down, so my car fell down. Yeah, now I get it. I got a lot of welding left to do on the chassis and on the body, and then I got to get that old paint on there on that body. You can't sand it off because it gums up the paper. Real soft paint. I don't know what it is they put on there, but I'm going to use some paint remover and see if I can get that paint off there, because you can't sand it off. Every time I went to get some off, grind some off the weld, it clogged up the sanding disc every time. So yeah, I'm going to get some paint stripper and get that off. But yeah, I got it all apart. I get the welding done on the chassis and on the body. I got a good motor and transmission, 383 stroker motor that I'm going to put in it with a little pumper cam in it. Put new gaskets and seals on the motor transmission before I put it in, so I don't have to worry about that. So yeah, end of September is hazardous waste at Gulfport. Might make that, I don't know yet. But yeah, might make the hazardous waste with it. 2 or 3 weeks it should be up and running. Of course it won't be at the end of it. I still got a lot of stuff I want to do. I got to make some mirrors, side mirrors. I want to put like a skeleton hand holding the mirror on each side. And got a lot of stuff to do to it still yet, but I'm going to get it painted and running like it is, and then upgrade later. Yeah, we got it going on now. Appreciate you.